it's Bonnie Southgate, hEDS Rehab here. I am here with another exercise for you for the month of May. We're now getting closer to the end, and I wanted to bring you some more stability exercises for the cervical spine. So that can be one of the biggest areas that creates big problems in people with hypermobility, and we need to do the best we can to strengthen things to keep us as stable as possible. So, like all of the muscles in the body, you have stabilizers and you have movers, and the neck is no different. And unfortunately, as people with hypermobility, we tend to go for the bigger moving muscles because we can feel them more, but they aren't the ones that stabilize the joints on a segmental level. So today's exercise is going to look at the front of the neck flexors, which are often really problematic, and hopefully this will give you a new exercise to try and will be helpful. So what we're going to look at is, if you look at my neck here, we've got we've got Max in the background, we've got big muscles that come from the ears and they come down, and these do help with neck flexion, but those are your big moving muscles. They don't stabilize the neck. So what we want to try and do is stop those muscles from kicking in quite so much when we do the exercise. And we want to let those little ones have a chance to actually work. So I'm going to put my fingers, if you see these muscles here, I'm going to put my fingers right above my collarbones. You've got two little lumps where your collarbones come into your sternum, and that's where these muscles, it's called the sternocleidomastoid, attached to. And I'm going to lie on my back, and I'm going to start to do a little head nod. So I'm going to be lengthening the back of my neck, nodding my chin down. If you see that, if I just do that, those want to kick in a bit. So we're going to make it a small movement, and what we're going to do to help us not use these is to put the tongue up into the roof of the mouth. So I'm going to lie on my back now, placing my hands on my sternocleidomastoid where they meet my collarbones, and I'm going to go silent because I'm going to put my tongue up to the roof of my mouth. And then as I start to nod my head forward, I don't want to feel these muscles kick in. If they've kicked in, I've gone too far, or I'm not using my stabilizers. So I'm lifting my tongue out now. And that was just a little bit of almost feeling a sense of length in the back of the head and a very tiny nod. And if I didn't do that correctly, I would have felt those muscles kick in, and I won't be using my stabilizer, so it would feel quite different. So we'll do that one more time. The tongue goes up to the roof of the mouth. I monitor those muscles. I try to lengthen the head, dropping the chin down a little bit in order to get those cervical neck stabilizers going. This would be along with one of the other videos I showed you before, the way I would start with stabilizing the neck, because we need to start from the inside and work our way out. So hopefully you'll find that useful, and I will see you in another video for another exercise on another day. Have a great day.